Step 1. Release compressed air from air suspension system. Step 2. Raise vehicle. Step 3. Unscrew compressed air coupling of airline, shown here as number 4, from compressed air reservoir, shown here as number 1. Step 4. Seal connection of airline, shown here as number 4, and compressed air reservoir, shown here as number 1, using stop plug. Remember to record plug. Step 5. Unscrew bolts, shown here as number 2, mounting frame bow, compressed air reservoir to carrier, undercarriage. Step 6. Remove compressed air reservoir, shown here as number 1, with tensioning straps, shown here as number 3. Step 7. Install in the reverse order. Step 8. Check air suspension for leaks. Apply preservation agent. Step 9. Spray compressed air reservoir, shown here as number 1, with underfloor protective wax.